Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install the Agent AI on your Windows device. So first head over to the Agent AI website and click on the download for Windows option. So you just need to download it. So I have already downloaded, so I'm just cutting it here. And once you download it, just open the setup file. Now here you just need to select the destination folder and make sure you have the space to install it on your PC. After that, click on the install option. So after the setup was installed, just click on the finish and it start running the Agent AI. Guys, after the Agent AI was installed, you just need to sign up with your Google account. This is super simple and you can do it in 2 minutes. And after the sign up, you need to go to this icon here which says a settings icon. Just click on it and here go to the agents, and here you just need to select the model type that you wanted to use. So in my case, I'm using Gemini 3 Flash Preview, and after that click on this option, and here you just need to put your task. Now I have this task already in my notepad, so I'm going to set to do a deep research on Microsoft and create a Word document report saved locally about their top 3 products and their latest news. After that, click on this green icon and it start running this task. Now here you just need to wait for it to complete this task and you will see the results after that. Now here you can see it divided the task in different sizable chunks. Then just click on this start task option. And guys, as you can see, the task is completed and file is saved in our C drive. So you just need to copy this path and then head over to your PC and just paste this path here and just hit OK. Just go to the folder and you will find your report. Now here just open it, and as you can see it created the research report where it shows the top 3 products and also the latest news or announcements on Microsoft. And guys, hope you like this video. And guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. This will help me a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.